Alright everybody, today episode is Toyota Yaris. It's a leaking trunk, how you can see. How to fix that issue. It's actually leaking on that spot right here. So the way to fix it, you have to remove this bolt, pull it out of the bumper. There's also another bolt right here. And the best way to use the window door siding sealant, it's an OSI. Actually I have the brown color, and I'm just gonna show you the issue right here. Did you see that crack? So that's what's causing that leak in the trunk and start creating mold. The water go down the stream right here on the gasket, and just that's the funky spot right here. So quick fix. See ya.